आतां आयज आम लॉज म्हाका लॉज न्हू भास्कर लॉज आख्खे गोंयकार सॉल एमएलए लॉज हो इश्यू पयर फाटीं सांगलेलो इट विल एफेक्ट ऑल 5 states एगेन आम से 5 स्टेट इन इलेक्शन आहा थिंगा बीजेपी इज बॅड फॉर बीजेपी दिस स्कॅन्डल एन सी आनी आतां लॉज आमकां लॉज भास्कर लॉज हांव न्हू मिलिंद नायक आतां हाव इज फेस द महिला इन मुरगांव तेजी आतां म्हाका लॉज दिसता टू मीट माय वायफ एंड माय चिल्ड्रन एट होम कित्याक म्हजो कलीग इज एक्यूज्ड ऑफ विथ प्रूफ इज माय कलीग मिलिंद माय फ्रेंड इज माय कलीग आई एम रियली sad for him and sad for his family. I hope he comes out of it properly.
Sir, somewhere in the past you had said that some of your friends had seen the video earlier. Had you taken up this with the minister or with the...
See, I have told Mr. Fadnavis, ex-Chief Minister from Maharashtra, when I met him one-to-one, I said there's a video that I heard that time. It will have an effect. But they laughed it out. I so long, I world la kodle, Goyano. आखे वर्ल्डला कळले आमचे आमदार आमचो मिनिस्टर इज नॉट अ सेक्स स्कॅन्डल इट इज शेमफुल फॉर अस एज भास्कोइट एज एमएलएज एज गोयकार आमकां लॉस
So any meeting is being taken up at the BJP level as of now?
आतां बीजेपी हाय लीडर आर दे सीएम काल नालो I don't know, CM is coming tonight, I think. So they'll take some action. They have to take action if they want to win this thing.